How to find the request desktop sites on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find request desktop sites settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and here you will find the settings. Click on it and then just this one with page view and scrolling, and here you will find request desktop sites. If you want to turn it on or off just by one click, it's easy, and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.